Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to configure Java in Edit Plus. So first of all, what is Edit Plus and why we need to do this configuration? We have already installed in this playlist Edit Plus software. It's a simple IDE. Simple IDE is nothing but simple software to run Java applications as a basic Java developer. But here from Edit Plus directly we cannot run Java software, right? We need to connect Edit Plus with the Java application, nothing but Java software. So for that, we need to install Edit Plus as well as any Java software. We have already installed in this playlist, that is JDK 17. So now how can we connect both so that we can run Java applications from the Edit Plus directly? Okay. So first of all, I'm opening Edit Plus. See, here it is on my desktop is a shortcut is there. By just double click on that, we are opening that Edit Plus. Next one, here file, new file option, Java. We are opening the Java file or directly here option they have provided. This is Java. Just you click on that. The basic template will come. Basic template. If you want to change the font, here it is that font option is there. Set font, here it is, you can increase or decrease the size, and here it is, you can select that font name and everything, other things also you can change it. Now here it is, I'm using this font. Next one, I'm just giving one name. First of all, let me save this with one name, test. Here where I need to save, suppose on my desktop I'm creating one folder. The folder name I'm giving Java practice. In that Java practice, I'm saving with the name test. Extension is Java. As we have selected that Java program in the beginning, it will show that save as a type is a Java. Else directly you can give .java extension and save it. Now, okay. How can we execute this? That is what actually called configuration. Here, go to the tools menu. Here configure user tools option is there. Click on configure user tools. Look at this. We have selected that group 1. Any group you can select. Suppose first one, group 1 we have selected. Next one is a add tool. Program we are adding. Sir, what is this? Once you write the Java program, we have to compile and run. So first compile. I'm just giving that name is also compile. What is the command for compilation? Here we need to give that Java C. This PC, local disk C, in program files, in Java folder, JDK 17 folder, inside the bin folder, Java C option is there. Java C is a Java compiler. Select that Java compiler and open it. See, the complete path is here. What is the argument we have to provide for this one? Argument. File name, because it has to compile that file name only. So that is the argument we have to provide. Where it has to search initially it's a file directory. Initially is a file directory. That is the first one. Next, second one for execution, add tool program. You can give that word name is a execute, or we can give that run. Any option we can provide. And command is Java. Java is nothing but JVM. Click on open JVM. And this is important. Argument. What is the argument? What is the argument? File name without extension is the argument. File name without extension is the argument. Because whenever you are executing the program, extension is not required. Initial directory is the same directory only. That's all. This is actually called setting the configuration. Okay. Okay. So as soon as you set, see in the tools menu, look at this. It is showing two shortcuts and two options. One is for compile and one is for run. Look at this here, group 1 selected by mistake. If you select group 2, now if you see, it is showing that empty tools. Until you select that group 1, the tools are not visible, shortcuts. If you click on compile or control 1, look at this, compiled successfully. In case any error, look at this, semicolon is missing. Now if you compile, here only you will get that error message, semicolon expected. This is what compilation. After saving, you just run it. Every time you have to save, remember, run. Once you run, then you can see the output of this Java code. Everyone, please subscribe the channel and practice well. Thank you.